Next, unit 2, straight line. So in that, first one, if angle theta is given, then slope formula becomes m is equals to tan theta. So surely you will get one question for how many marks? 4 marks. How they will ask the question? Find slope of a straight line making an angle 60 degree with x-axis. Here we need to find slope of a straight line. Slope we denote by m, but remember here which value is given? Angle theta value is given, that is 60 degree. Therefore what we need to do is, in the solution first write theta value. Theta is equals to 60 degree. Then write the formula. What is that formula? Slope m is equals to tan theta. Next, which is equals to, keep that tan as it is. Next, substitute theta value. What is that theta value? 60 degree. Next, use the calculator to get the value of tan 60 degree. So before that, first reset the calculator. How to reset? First press shift, then press CLR, that is clear. Then here all 3 option comes. Now press 3, again reset all option comes. That time 2 times you have to press equal button, so that time it will reset automatically. After that, next tan 60 degree value we need, therefore here tan will be there, so here tan, next 60 degree. So what is the final answer? 1.73. so right here 1.73. so this is the value of slope. Next, in the next question, find the slope of straight line making an angle 150 degree with x-axis. As usual, in the solution first write theta value. Angle how much it is given? 150 degree. Then write the formula. Slope m is equals to tan theta. So which is equals to tan how much degree? 150 degree. In place of theta substitute 150 degree, then use the calculator. So now tan, here it is the tan. So tan how much degree? 150 degree. So what is the answer? Minus 0.57. so right here minus 0.57. so this is the value of slope. Next, if 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 are given, again we need to find out the slope. So that time formula becomes y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is also again short question for how many marks here? 4 marks. This is also slope formula, but when we need to apply this slope formula in the question, they are going to give 2 points, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2. So see this example. Find slope of a straight line joining the points 2, minus 1 and 1, minus 3. Therefore, in the solution, first what we need to do is write the first point. minus 1 consider as x1 y1, that is the first point, and 1, minus 3 consider as second point, x2 y2. After that, write the formula. Slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. After writing the formula, substitute. Y2 is minus 3, middle minus sign, keep it as it is. Y1 is minus 1, so in bracket minus 1, divided by x2 is 1 minus x1 is 2, so right here 2. So which is equals to, again better you use the calculator, therefore it is minus 3 minus of minus 1. So you will get minus 2. So minus 2 divided by denominator, if you do it you will get minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1. Therefore minus divided by minus is plus, 2 divided by 1. This is the final answer. Otherwise 2 by 1 is nothing but how much? 2. So this is the slope value. So next part. If the equation of the straight line is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, then slope formula becomes minus a by b, x intercept is minus c by a, y intercept is minus c divided by b. In annual examination, from this part definitely one question will be there, either for 5 marks or else for 6 marks. This is how they will ask the question. Find slope, x intercept, y intercept of the straight line 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. First write this given equation. After writing, compare this given equation with the standard form. What is that standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So that time a value becomes 2, b value is minus 3 and c value is minus 6. Include negative sign also. After getting a, b, c value, next we need slope. What is the slope formula? Minus a divided by b. Therefore slope m is equals to minus a divided by b. Minus, keep it as it is, a value. What is a value? 2 divided by b value is minus 3. So this is the final answer. Otherwise minus divided by minus is plus. So final answer is 2 divided by 3. Next, x intercept. X intercept. Formula minus c divided by a. This negative sign minus, I am going to keep it as it is. C value is minus 6, so write it in bracket, minus 6 divided by a value is 2. So which is equals to minus into minus is plus 6 divided by 2. So this is the final answer, or you can cancel 2 1 2 3. So final answer is 3. After x intercept, next y intercept. Formula minus c, here it is, minus c divided by b. Minus c divided by b minus, keep it as it is, c value minus 6 divided by b value is minus 3. So which is equals to minus into minus is plus 6 divided by minus 3. Plus divided by minus is minus 3 1 3 2. Therefore final answer is how much here? Minus 2. Therefore slope is 2 by 3, x intercept is 3 and y intercept is minus 2. Next question. Find slope y intercept of the straight line x plus y is equals to 5. Sorry, x plus 3y is equals to 5. So first write that given equation, x plus 3y is equals to 5. See, if we compare this with the standard one, what is the standard? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This c, it is there in the left hand side, but in the given equation that c is there in right hand side. Therefore in the first step, bring this 5 to left hand side. So that time x plus 3y as it is plus 5 becomes what here? Minus 5 is equals to what? 0. It means this given equation first we need to bring in standard form. After that compare with standard one. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. A value is nothing, means 1, that is 1. B value is 3 and C value is minus 5. But in the question only you need to find out x and y intercept, but I am going to solve all three values. Therefore, slope minus a divided by b minus 1 divided by 3. Next, x intercept minus c divided by a minus c is minus 5 divided by a value is 1. So minus into minus is plus 5 divided by 1 means 5. And last, y intercept formula minus c divided by b minus of c is minus 5 divided by b value is 3. Therefore, minus into minus becomes plus 5 divided by 3. Therefore, slope minus 1 by 3, x intercept 5, y intercept 5 divided by 3. Next, different types of equation of straight lines. In that, first one, slope intercept form, that is y is equals to mx plus c. When we need to apply this formula, in the question they will give slope value as well as y intercept c value. So that time apply y is equals to mx plus c formula. Using this formula, there are two types of question comes. So type 1 question is, find equation of a straight line having a slope of 4 and y intercept is 7. So clearly here slope value is given as well as what y intercept c value is given. So in the solution, first write slope. Slope, that is m is equals to how much, 4, and y intercept we consider as c, how much, 7. So after writing m and c value, next write this formula. Therefore, equation of straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. Next, substitute m value as well as c value. Therefore, y is equals to m is 4x plus c value is how much here, 7. After substitution of m and c, final answer we should bring in which form? Standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form of what? Equation of straight line. In this standard form, always we keep x positive sign. So because of that reason, after substitution of m and c value, check whether x contains a positive sign or negative sign. Here x is already positive sign. Because of that reason, I am going to shift which value? Y value to right hand side. So that time in place of y, remaining value is 0 is equals to this 4x. I am going to keep it as it is, plus y. If I shift right hand side, it becomes minus y, and this plus 7, keep it as it is. This is the required equation of straight line. Or you can write it as 4x minus y plus 7 is equals to 0. So this is the type 1 example. In this type 1, directly they will give m value, that is slope, and c value, that is y intercept. Next, in the type 2, this is the question. Find equation of a straight line making an angle 45 degree and y intercept is 8. So in the solution, see again we need to find out equation of straight line, but which value is given here? Angle is given. So angle means theta is given how much? 45 degree, and y intercept is given. Y intercept means c is given how much? 8. If you want to apply this formula, y is equals to mx plus c, we need m value and c value, but here m is not given, correct? Therefore m is question mark. So m is question mark, that is slope is question mark. C value is given how much here? 8. Therefore before applying that formula, we need to find out which value? M value. And we know whenever angle is given, so that time slope formula becomes m is equals to tan theta. Next, which is equals to tan, substitute theta value 45 degree, then use the calculator. Therefore tan 45 is much 1. Therefore m value becomes 1. After getting m value, then write the formula. Therefore equation of straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. Substitute y is equals to m is 1. Next x, keep it as it is, plus c value is 8. Again x, already it is positive sign, so because of that reason shift y to right hand side. Therefore 0 is equals to 1x, plus y becomes minus y, and this plus 8, keep it as it is. So this is the required equation of straight line. So this is the second type of example. Next, 1 point formula. What is that 1 point formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Surely you will get one question for how many marks here? 5 marks. Either type 1 or type 2. Here also there are two types of example comes. So this is the type 1. Question is, write 1 point form of the straight line, hence find equation of line passing through the point 3, 4 and slope 4 units. This means first we need to write the formula, then after that we need to find out what? Equation of straight line. So clearly in this question one point is mentioned, that is 3, 4. Because of this reason we need to apply 1 point formula. And also slope value is given, m is how much here? 4 units. Therefore in the solution first write 1 point. 3, 4 consider as x1, y1 and slope value m. How much? 4. So after writing x1, y1 and slope, write the formula. Therefore equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Now substitute y minus y1 value is 4 is equals to m is 4 into bracket x minus x1 value is 3. Next, left hand side value, keep it as it is, y minus 4. In the right hand side we need to open the bracket. First multiply these two. 4 into x is 4x. Next these two. Plus into minus is minus, 4 into 3, 12. After opening the bracket, check whether x contains positive sign or negative sign. Here x is already positive sign. Because of that reason shift plus y and minus 4 to right hand side. So that time in the left hand side remaining value is 0 is equals to 4x, keep it as it is, plus y becomes minus y, minus 4 becomes plus 4, and in right hand side already minus 12 is there, so that you keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 4x minus y. Next this you do it in the calculator, or else directly also you can do. 4 minus 12 answer is minus 8. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next, this is the second type example. So in the second type, what they will do, instead of giving slope m, they will mention angle. And here already 1 point is there, so we need to apply 1 point formula. So question is, find equation of straight line passing through the point 2, 4 and making an angle 225 degree. Therefore in the solution, first write 1 point. 2, 4 consider as x1, y1, and angle means theta, how much it is given, 225. So if you want to apply 1 point formula, we need slope m value. Therefore here m value is question mark. First find m value, that is slope m is equals to, here angle is given, so because of that reason which formula we are going to apply, tan theta, which is equals to tan, keep it as it is, substitute theta value, that is 225 degree. Again use the calculator. So tan 225, so how much it is showing, 1, correct, it is 1. Therefore m value becomes 1. After getting m value, then write equation of straight line. So what is that formula, y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Substitute y minus y1 is 4 is equals to m is 1 into bracket x minus x1 is 2. Next y minus 4, keep it as it is, open the bracket, 1 into x is 1x, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. X positive sign, because of that reason shift plus y and minus 4 to right hand side. So that time 0 is equals to 1x, keep it as it is, plus y becomes minus y, minus 4 becomes plus 4, and already in the right hand side minus 2, keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 1x minus y, 4 minus 2 is plus 2. So this is a required equation of straight line. Next, 2-point formula. Formula is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. When we need to apply 2-point formula, in the question they are going to give 2 points, that is x1 y1 as well as x2 y2. Using this formula, again 2 types of question comes. This is the type 1. Find equation of straight line passing through the 2 points 3, 4 and 5, 6. Clearly here 2 points are given. This is the first point and this is the second point. We need to find out what? Equation of straight line. Therefore we need to apply this formula. Therefore in the solution, first consider 3, 4 as x1 y1, and second point 5, 6 consider as x2 y2. Then write the formula, equation of straight line. So what is that formula? Y minus y1 is equals to, in bracket y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. Now substitute x1 y1 and x2 y2 values. So keep this y as it is, minus y1 is 4 is equals to y2 value is 6 minus y1 value is 4 divided by, next x2 value is 5 minus x1 value is 3 into bracket x minus x1 is 3. Next step, y minus 4, keep it as it is, 6 minus 4 is 2 divided by 5 minus 3 again 2 into bracket x minus 3. So here there are two ways are there to solve this. First one, you can divide. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore, y minus 4 is equals to remaining value is 1 into bracket x minus 3. Next, y minus 4, keep it as it is. Open the bracket. 1 into x is 1x. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. X contains positive sign. Shift plus y minus 4 to right hand side. Therefore 0 is equals to 1x plus y becomes minus y, minus 4 becomes plus 4, and already minus 3, keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 1x minus y plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1. So this is required equation of straight line. Another way is y minus 4 is equals to 2 divided by 2 into bracket x minus 3. You can do cross multiplication. This denominator, if you do the cross multiplication, this becomes 2 into bracket y minus 4 is equals to, in the numerator, what is the remaining value? 2 into bracket x minus 3. Open the bracket in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. 2 into y, 2y, minus 2 into 4, 8 is equals to 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Now x contains positive sign. Again shift these two values to right hand side. So 0 is equals to, already 2x, keep it as it is, plus 2y becomes minus 2y, minus 8 becomes plus 8, and already minus 6, keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 2x minus 2y plus 8 minus 6 is plus 2. So this is the required equation of straight line. Suppose if we take 2 common, that time we will get this answer. Therefore this method is also correct, this method is also correct. So this is second type example using 2-point formula. See how they will ask in the second type, find equation of straight line passing through 2 points minus 3 comma 5 and 3 comma minus 3, and using equation of a straight line find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. So this means first, using these 2 points, we need to find equation of straight line. After finding equation of straight line, using that equation we need to find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Therefore first, in the solution, take minus 3 comma 5. Consider this as x1 y1. Next 3 comma minus 3, consider this as x2 y2. Then write formula, equation of straight line. Formula is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. Substitute y as it is, minus y1 is 5 is equals to y2 minus 3 minus y1 is 5 divided by x2 3 minus x1 is minus 3 in bracket minus 3 into x minus x1 is minus 3. Keep this y minus 5 as it is. If you use the calculator, minus 3 minus 5, it will show you minus 8 divided by, and denominator also use the calculator. Here it will show you the answer 6 into x minus into minus becomes plus 3. Next, better you do cross multiplication. So this is 6 into bracket y minus 5 is equals to, what is the remaining value in the numerator? Minus 8 into bracket x plus 3. Open the bracket. 6 into y, 6y. Next 6 into 5, 30 is equals to minus 8 into x, minus 8x. Next these two, minus into plus, minus 8 into 3, 24. Now after opening the bracket, we can observe here x becomes minus. In the standard form, we always keep x as positive. Because of that reason, shift minus 8x and minus 24 to left hand side. So that time minus 8x becomes plus 8x. Already in the left hand side plus 6y is there, keep it as it is. Minus 30 is there, keep it as it is, and minus 24 becomes plus 24 is equals to 0. Therefore 8x plus 6y, then use the calculator, minus 30 plus 24, it will show you minus 6 is equals to 0. This is the required equation of straight line. First part is over. We got equation of straight line. Next part, after finding equation of straight line, we need to find these three values. Therefore, in the next step, what we need to do is this we need to compare with standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So a value 8. Next b value 6. Next c value minus 6. Therefore first we need slope. Formula is minus a divided by b, minus 8 divided by b is 6. Next x intercept, minus c divided by a, minus c value is minus 6 divided by a value is 8. Minus into minus becomes plus 6 divided by 8. And last y intercept, minus c divided by b, minus keep it as it is, c is minus 6 divided by b is 6. So minus into minus becomes plus 6 divided by 6, or else you can cancel. So this is the slope value, x intercept value and y intercept value. This is how we need to solve second type question using 2-point formula. Next, equation of straight line formula is x divided by a plus y divided by b is equals to 1. This formula we call it as intercept formula. Again, this is also sure question for 5 marks, and previous one 2-point formula, that is also sure question for 5 marks. This again in annual examination surely you will get either type 1 or type 2 for how many marks? 5 marks. So in this formula, this a we call it as x intercept and this b we call it as y intercept. This is how they will ask the question. Find the equation of straight line whose x and y intercepts are 3 and 2 units respectively. So in the solution, first this x intercept we call it as a, how much it is given? 3. Next y intercept, that is b, value is 2. After considering x intercept as a, y intercept as b, then write the formula. Equation of straight line. Formula is x divided by a plus y divided by b is equals to 1. Substitute a and b value. X divided by a is 3 plus y divided by b is 2 is equals to 1. Next, further if you want to do the simplification, here we need to take the LCM. So instead of taking the LCM, all of you remember this shortcut method. What is that shortcut method? First do the cross multiplication. These two means x into 2 is 2x. Middle plus sign, keep it as it is. After that, these two values do the multiplication. That is 3 into y is 3y. Next, divided by, here divided by denominator, both numbers you multiply. 3 into 2 is how much here? 6 is equals to, right hand side 1 is there, keep it as it is. Clear? 2 into x, 2x, 3 into y, 3y. Next, divided by 3 into 2 is how much here? 6 is equals to 1. After that, cross multiplication. Therefore, 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 into 1 is 6. Now, x already positive sign. So, because of that reason, shift 6 to left hand side. That time, what is the final answer? 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. This is the required equation of straight line. So these are the sure questions. Definitely they will give in annual examination from second unit, that is straight line. Next, unit 3 trigonometry. From unit 3 this question surely comes for 4 marks. Conversion of degree to radian and radian to degree. This is how they will ask. Convert 150 degree into radian and 3 pi by 2 radian into degree. So if you want to convert 150 degree into radian, this is the formula we need to apply. So in the solution, first I will write 150 degree. If we want to convert this 150 degree into radian, what we need to do is, for this 150 we need to multiply pi divided by 180. Pi divided by 180, then it will convert into radian. So next, which is equals to pi into 150 is 150 pi divided by here 180 radian. Next, better you use the calculator. 150 divided by 180. 150 divided by 180. So how much? 0.83. Therefore here you write 0.83. Then this pi, keep it as it is. This is the conversion, 0.83 pi radian. Next, second, 3 pi divided by 2 radian into degree. 3 pi divided by 2 radian. Again, what we need to do for this 3 pi divided by 2, we need to multiply with 180 divided by pi. 180 divided by pi. Then only it will convert into degree. So that time cancel pi and pi value. Next, remaining value, just use the calculator. 3 into 180. 3 into 180. How much? 540 divided by 2. Divided by 2. So what is the answer? 270 degree. So directly right here 270 degree. This is how we are converting degree into radian and radian into degree. Next question. Convert 120 degree into radian and 11 pi divided by 3 into degree. Therefore in the solution, 120 degree you write first. Next, what we need to do for this 120, just multiply pi divided by 180. Then only it will convert into radian. So which is equals to 120 into pi is 120 pi divided by 180 radian. Next, divide 120 divided by 180. 120 divided by 80. So that is 2 by 3. Otherwise, if you want to do it in decimal, 0.66. Therefore, what is the final answer? 0.66. Then this pi, keep it as it is. It will convert into radian. Next, 11 pi divided by 3. 11 pi divided by 3 radian. For this 11 pi divided by 3, we need to multiply with 180 divided by pi, then only it will convert into degree. Cancel pi and pi. Next, multiply 11 into 180. 11 into 180. Next, divided by 3. Divided by 3. So what is the answer? 660. Therefore, final answer is 660 degree. This is how we are going to convert degree to radian and radian to degree. Therefore, remember, from trigonometry, this is one question you do it, definitely you will get for how many marks? 4 marks. That is conversion of degree to radian and radian to degree. After that, from unit number 4, that is the differentiation, surely you will get this question, equation of a tangent to the curve. So that time, if you don't know how to solve this type of example, only write the formula, you will get 1 marks. That is, equation of tangent formula is y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1, and one more is there, equation of normal. Suppose this question if you get, write the formula y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 divided by m into bracket x minus x1, you will get 1 marks writing the formula. After that, from unit number 5, that is integration, so this one will be the sure question, integration by parts. Write the formula, integration of first function into second function is first function into integration of second minus double integration of second function into differentiation of first function. And last, area bounded by the curve, volume generated by the curve A is equals to integration from a to b y into dx, and volume generated by the curve v is equals to pi from a to b, integration from a to b y square into dx. So if you write these formulas, so surely you will get either 1 marks or else 2 marks. 1 marks, 1 marks, 1 marks, and here 1 marks. Otherwise, sometimes they will give 2 marks. So these all are the questions. Please prepare. Definitely you will get 60 to 70 marks in engineering mathematics. That is Diploma Engineering Mathematics Revised Syllabus C-20. Thank you.